31-week pregnant. Can you believe all 5 of baby's senses are fully developed at 31 weeks pregnant? Baby's also getting smarter. In the meantime, you might actually feel a little dumb. You're not. It's just that many moms-to-be find themselves acting absent-mindedly during the 3rd trimester. Some say that pregnancy brain isn't a real thing, but can you honestly think of another time in your life when you've had as much on your mind as now? We're guessing no. That right there is enough of a reason to be so forgetful at week 31 of pregnancy. How big is baby at 31 weeks? At 31 weeks pregnant, baby is as big as a bunch of asparagus. Baby's about 16.2 inches long and weighs about 3.3 pounds. Baby's getting so big, he or she's probably crowding your lungs, which is why you might find yourself winded on a normal walk up the stairs. 31 weeks pregnant is how many months? 31 weeks pregnant is 6 months and 3 weeks pregnant. You're wrapping up month 7 at the end of this week. 31 weeks pregnant symptoms. From week 31 of pregnancy on, you're bound to feel a lot of the same symptoms you've already been experiencing. Some may get worse, and some may become bearable. Here are the most typical 31 weeks pregnant symptoms. Shortness of breath. You might start to have more trouble getting around as you get heavier and more short of breath. Remember not to push yourself too much. It's good for you and baby to get some exercise, but definitely take breaks to rest as much as you need to. Dry, brittle nails. Sure, you're having extra finger and toenail growth, but that can make those nails feel dry and easily broken. Some moms-to-be have success with a moisturizing cuticle oil. This may also be the perfect excuse for a spa mani-pedi. Braxton Hicks contractions. To ease the discomfort of Braxton Hicks, drink plenty of water and change positions often. This will prevent those practice contractions from turning into preterm labor. If you have certain pregnancy complications, or if you're 31 weeks pregnant with twins, you're at higher risk for preterm labor. Leaky boobs. That yellow liquid is baby's first food, called colostrum, and your body's getting it ready for the big arrival. Frequent urination. Your bladder's just as crowded as your lungs are. Not much you can do about it except mentally plan more bathroom breaks into your daily routine. Backaches. Be sure to keep stretching to ease your aching back. That prenatal yoga class can help. Trouble sleeping. It's no wonder you can't sleep when your back hurts, your belly's contracting, you can't find a comfortable position, and you have to keep getting up to pee. 31 weeks pregnant belly. By 31 weeks pregnant you've probably gained about 21 to 27 pounds. If you're 31 weeks pregnant with twins, it's more like 27 to 42 pounds. Your 31 weeks pregnant belly is getting in the way of everyday things like tying your shoes and sex. It's even in the way of your usual swagger. Have you started waddling yet? 31 weeks pregnant ultrasound. Your week 31 fetus is going through major brain and nerve development. His or her eyes are developing too. The irises can now react to light. In fact, all 5 of baby's senses are in working order. Baby's position at 31 weeks? Head down. At least he or she probably is. Your OB will check to see for sure at your next appointment. Women who have pregnancy complications such as gestational diabetes or who are 31 weeks pregnant with twins may have a 31 weeks pregnant ultrasound to check in on baby. But if that's not you, you're off the hook this week. We know. You're just dying to know what baby looks like inside your 31 weeks pregnant belly. Some curious parents-to-be choose to have a 3D/4D ultrasound done later in pregnancy, usually sometime between weeks 24 to 32. In a 3D/4D ultrasound, you can see the entire surface of baby's face in one picture. Yep, the picture is 3-dimensional. The 4th dimension is time. You get to see baby move on the screen in 3D. That means you may see your 31-week fetus blinking, thumb sucking, and maybe even smiling or frowning, and you'll probably take home a video of it too. There are medical circumstances that could call for a 3D/4D ultrasound at 31 weeks pregnant. But if your doctor doesn't order one, you have the option of having one done at an independent imaging center. In that case, the 3D/4D ultrasound is an elective procedure, so your insurance won't cover it and you'll have to pay out of pocket for it.